Hi everyone, and welcome back to Resin and Reveal. The idea for today's project started here with one of these. I decided that I was going to make a bubble hook, so let's see if this works. So I was so excited to try this, I didn't even pour any resin into this. But I'm just using it to show you that I normally use a dotting tool, or I will bend the end of a micro brush, or I'll sometimes use a silicone tool to get underneath the edges there. But today I thought I'd use that coat hanger hook just to see if we can make a different type of tool. So I've got a couple of pendant molds here, and I think they'll make ideal handles for the hooks to fit in. So I've got to adjust everything just so they'll hang at the right level. And after faffing about for a bit, I eventually find the right height, and then I can use that hole to keep the hook secure. So this is only going to take a tiny bit of resin, and I'll just add some crushed glass, some opal flakes and a small amount of glitter. But I'm not really concerned about how it looks at this stage. I just want to see if the whole idea works. Because the ends of these hooks actually have a round blob on them, so they won't be scratching the silicone mould, and they'll also dislodge any bubbles. So I'll just pop that hook through the hole and into the pendulum, and that will keep it secure. So then I quickly pour another one with the other hook and use a different shaped pendulum mould. And we'll just leave these to cure. These are all cured now, and it's time to demold them. After a couple of minutes of struggling to get the mould off, I sprayed a small amount of the isopropyl alcohol inside the mould, and that made it easier. Now, as you can see, these have been made from something that most of us already have lying around the house. It costs next to nothing, so try it yourself and let me know if it works for you. Thanks for popping in today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.